Hello everyone. Now this is a question for story writing, and today we would learn how to write a story on the basis of given outline. Now let you read the question very carefully. Aradhana started writing a story of two boys in a jungle. Aradhana, a girl just like you, she's a student and she has started writing a story. The title of the story is Two Boys in a Jungle. Due to the pressure of heavy engagements, arrangements, works, and lots of works, responsibilities, she gave up. Okay, she could not complete the story till its conclusion. After writing a line or so, she wrote a line or so, she could not complete the story because she has to manage many more engagements at the same time. So this story has to be completed by us. Taking from the input, what help? We have to take help from the input given below and basing on the introduction Aradhana made. Basing means on the basis of the introduction that has been given by Aradhana, we have to develop a complete story. This is the question. Okay, I think you have got the idea what is the question about. This is a question about a story writing in which a girl whose name is Aradhana started writing a story, but due to many more engagements or works, she could not complete the story. This story has to be completed by us. Outline and clues has been given on the screen. As you can see, Viru, Viru and Karim were young Keraltis. Next week, their school was going to organize a camp near a forest in Ponmudi. This is two names. Okay, two names have been given, Keralities and Ponmudi. Firstly, you have to mind that Viru and Karan, they were two young boys and their school was going to organize a camp near a forest. Okay, this is the base, means two students whose name are Viru and Karim. Okay, they are young boys. Their school is going to organize a camp. That camp is going to be organized near a forest in Panmadi, the forest of Panmadi. Now, outlines. Went out to explore forest, lost the way. Viru and Karim started going through the forest, but they lost the way away from the camp. Okay, away from the camp means they were so far away from the camp. Cries of animals means sounds of animal, heard thump thump sound. Okay, maybe they heard the sound of thump thump. A large elephant trumpeted angrily. It means the elephant trumpeted angrily, came towards them. The elephant began to come towards two boys. A balloon started blowing. Big balloon hit hard with hand. Bang bang. Loud noise. Elephant turned away, saved. Okay? After going through these outlines, I think you have got the idea what the story is about. Okay? दो लड़के जंगल के रास्ते से उस कैंप की तरफ जा रहे थे जहां पे उनके स्कूल ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। रास्ते में उन लोगों ने अपना जो रास्ता था वो भूल गए। दे कुड नॉट फाइनली अराइव to the camp. Meanwhile, they heard the cries of animals, heard the sound of thum thum, ऐसी आवाजें उनको सुनाई दी. उसके बाद उनके सामने एक लार्ज एलिफेंट आ गई. ट्रम्पेटेड एंग्रीली, जोर से गुस्से से चिल्लाई. केम टूवर्ड्स देम, और इन दोनों बच्चों के तरफ आ रही थी. अ बैलून स्टार्टेड ब्लोइंग. तब तक एक बहुत बड़ा सा बैलून इन दोनों बच्चों ने फुलाना शुरू किया. उसके बाद ये जो बैलून था धीरे धीरे बढ़ करके बहुत बड़ा हो गया. हिट हार्ड विद हैंड, दोनों ने उस बैलून को बहुत मजबूती से हिट किया ताकि वो ब्लास्ट हो सके. और जैसे ही वो गुब्बारा फूटा, एक जोर की आवाज हुई और एलिफेंट डर के मुड़ के फिर वहां से चली गई. और ऐसा करके उन लोगों ने अपनी जान बचाई. किन लोगों ने? वीरू और करीम ने. ठीक है, तो ये स्टोरी रही. ठीक है, अब हम चलते हैं द स्टोरी दैट हैज बीन ऑलरेडी रिटन. क्या स्टोरी दी गई है, आप एक एक लाइन समझेंगे, मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. वीरू एंड करीम were young Heralthis. The next week, their school was going to organize a camp near a forest in Fanmadi. The following week, they joined the camp. Now, the following week, they joined the camp. One day, they went out together. साथ साथ बाहर गए. They thought of going inside the forest to explore it. वो इस चीज़ को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए जंगल के रास्ते से होकर जाने का निर्णय लिए. Soon they lost their way. जल्दी ही उन लोगों ने अपना रास्ता खो दिया. The sun had set. सूरज भी ढल चुका था. They were walking along the Periyar river. वो पेरियार रिवर से होते हुए जा रहे थे. They heard the loud noise. उन्होंने बहुत जोर की आवाजें सुनी. They stood still. वो अभी भी खड़े थे. And listened it. और उसको ध्यान से सुन रहे थे. They heard the sound of an animal coming towards them. Finally, they got the sound of an animal. Okay, it seems that the animal is coming towards two boys. It was the sound of a big elephant. और ये जो आवाज़ थी, ये एक बहुत बड़े हाथी की थी. He was just 50 meters away from them, and the distance between Biru and Karim and elephant is only, you know, 50 meters. 50 meters की दूरी थी. The elephant smelled them too. Elephant भी उन लोगों को स्मेल कर रही थी. He saw them standing quietly behind an oak tree. He saw them. I mean, the elephant saw both boys standing quietly behind an oak tree. There was an oak tree. Oak tree is known as evergreen tree. And both boys were standing behind the tree quietly. चुपके से. He raised his long trunk up in the air and trumpeted loudly. वो अपने सूंड को हवा में लहराई और जोर से गुर्राई और चिल्लाई. The boys didn't move. लड़के वहां से नहीं हिले. Biru was little frightened. बिरू थोड़ा सा डर गया था. But Kareem was not. लेकिन करीम नहीं डरा था. Slowly, the elephant started coming nearer and nearer. धीरे धीरे जो हाथी थी वो बच्चों के करीब आ रही है. Gradually, the elephant was moving, covering the distance and being nearer and nearer to Viru and Karim. Now he is only 10 meters away. अब जो distance है वो सिर्फ 10 मीटर की बची हुई है. Let's do something, said Karim. करीम कहता है कि चलो कुछ करते हैं. क्या करते हैं? Do it before he attacks us, said Viru. वीरू कहता है कि जो भी करना है, वॉट एवर यू हैव टू डू इट राइट नाउ बिफोर ही अटैक्स. जब तक वो हम पर अटैक करे उसके पहले जो भी करना है करो. करीम पुल्ड आउट अ बैलून. करीम एक बैलून निकालता है फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट. ही केप्ट इट इन हिज पॉकेट ऑलरेडी. ही पुट इट इन हिज माउथ एंड स्टार्टेड ब्लोइंग इनटू द बैलून. और वो मुंह से हवा भरने लगता है बैलून में. At last it was blown the size of a small bag. और ये जो बैलून है, it took the size of a small bag after blowing into it. हवा भरने के बाद वो एक छोटे से बैग का शेप ले लिया. करीम hit the full blown balloon hard with his hand. करीम क्या करता है? Finally he hits the balloon with his hand strongly. बड़ी मजबूती से वो बैलून को अपने हाथों से फोड़ने की कोशिश करता है. Finally, bang bang. The elephant stopped and trumpeted angrily. हाथी रुक जाता है और फिर गुस्से से गुर्राता है. He was confused. The elephant was confused. The elephant turned away and disappeared into the forest. और जो हाथी है वो वहां से वापस मुड़ता है और फिर he was vanished और वो फिर गायब हो गया. The boys ran and ran till they reached the safe at the camp, and both boys, Viru and Karim, ran and ran. They kept running. वो दौड़ते रहे until they do not come to the camp. जब तक वो कैंप तक नहीं आ जाते तब तक वो दौड़ते रहे. Finally, they saved their life. वो अपनी जान इस तरह से बचा ही लेते हैं. ठीक है, अब ये रहा स्टोरी. अब जिन बच्चों को लिखना है ये स्टोरी अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन क्रिएशन वो लिख सकते हैं. बिकॉज इट डजंट मैटर दैट समबडी हैज रिटन दिस स्टोरी, you can write in your own way. Okay, you can use different words, you can use different sentences to make this story completed. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask me. Anybody? If you have problem, anybody, the story is visible on the screen. क्या बेटा? Story, mostly story is written in past tense. Okay, but here you can see some sentences in present indefinite tense, but mostly sentences have been written in past tense. You can see when we can write a story when write outline, sir. Outline will be given in the question. It may be possible, may not be. If outlines would not be there, you will have to complete the story on the basis of only basing lines. Okay, 2 or 3 lines should be there as basing lines. On the basis of those lines, you will have to complete the rest of the part of story. Okay, it doesn't matter outlines would be there or not. आउटलाइंस हो भी सकती है, आउटलाइंस नहीं भी हो सकती हैं. तो इसका मतलब नहीं है, जो बेसिक लाइंस होंगी 2 या 3 लाइन उसको पढ़ने के बाद आपको स्टोरी क्रिएट करना होगा. ये ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आउटलाइंस वहाँ दिया होगा. एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? हाँ, वर्ड्स की लिमिट जो होती है वो मैक्सिमम 150 टू 180 वर्ड्स. 150 to 180 words would be there for the limit of words while you write a story. Any more question? This task brings you 5 marks, sometimes 10 marks if it would be long answer type questions. Okay, 10 नंबर आपको मिलेंगे स्टोरी राइटिंग के अगर आंसर होगा. और शॉर्ट आंसर में राइटिंग सेक्शन में आई थिंक 6 नंबर का भी दे सकता है, 8 नंबर का भी दे सकता है, 5 नंबर का भी दे सकता है. ठीक है. So we can write in equal margins. Yes, you can write in equal margins. We needn't to change any para or margin. Okay, because we do not want to highlight any quotation or anything else. This is not a formal way of writing. You can write the story according to this. If you want to change margin while you change the paragraph, you can. You can change the paragraph. Maximum you have to write up to 150 to 80 words. So according to these two or three paragraphs should be there. That's it. Maximum three paragraphs, minimum two paragraphs. Any more question? How many words? How many words? 150 words. 150 words. 150 words should be there while you write in the exam.